Hey guys, it is Dani and welcome to another video, and I'm here with updates on the tropics. So as you're seeing, we have two active tropical cyclones, which are Laura and Marco, and they're both threats to land, guys. And so this video will cover all the details, even in Espanol al fin de video. So if you're in Hispaniola or wherever, I'll do the Spanish, guys. And so if you want to know if you will be affected, please keep watching this video. And of course, as usual, guys, before I go into all the details with these systems, please ensure to subscribe if you haven't, and tap the notification bell so you know every time when I post a new video, because I will keep you guys updated on tropical cyclone activity right throughout the Atlantic hurricane season. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My other account is Other Girl Dani, and my personal account is Dani Henry Official. Okay, so first we want to take a look at Tropical Storm Marco, which is about to really emerge into the Gulf of Mexico. And as you're seeing on satellite view, we have these areas of deep convection near the center, and so we're expecting that as time goes by, it's going to look a lot better. And actually, it is expected to become a hurricane maybe by sometime tomorrow. And of course, guys, it is a threat to land. We will go to the National Hurricane Center's cone of uncertainty with the major details very shortly. But where is Marco expected to make landfall? So for our models here we have most of them agreeing that this will make landfall in Louisiana. And so, guys, it's possible that it could also turn to the west northwest after it makes landfall in the states, and then it could also be a threat to Texas. I see that as the most likely outcome from Marco. But for the National Hurricane Center's cone of uncertainty right now, let us go to the details. So as of now, Marco has winds of 65 miles per hour, and so it is expected to become a hurricane by tomorrow. We've seen it strengthening throughout most of today, and actually we have quite a bit of watches and warnings that are in place. Okay, guys, so first we have a hurricane watch highlighted in pink being in effect for intracoastal state Louisiana to the Mississippi-Alabama border, and also for Lake Pontchartrain, Lake Maurepas, and metropolitan New Orleans. And we have a tropical storm warning highlighted in blue being in effect for the province of Pinar del Rio in Cuba, and we also have a tropical storm watch highlighted in yellow being in effect for the Mississippi-Alabama border to the Alabama-Florida border. Alright, guys, and so next, how much rainfall is expected in the U.S.? And so with this, the different colors show different amounts. We have the lighter green 1 inch, the darker green 2, the yellow 4, and the orange 6. Let's stop right there for now. So the maximum the area is expected to get the most rainfall from Marco as of now is in the most southeasterly section of Louisiana, and probably the most southerly sections of Alabama and Mississippi. But we're expecting that these rainfall amounts here could increase as time goes by. And next we have Tropical Storm Laura to talk about. So as of now, we're seeing it on satellite view. We have these areas of deep convection popping up on and around the storm, and of course as time goes by, we're expecting it to become organized when it is going to be moving into the Gulf, because it will be passing over land, and that is really going to help to rip it up and inhibit it from really intensifying a lot, guys. And so next we want to go to the National Hurricane Center's cone of uncertainty. Okay, so we have quite a bit of tropical storm watches and warnings being in place right now. And so a tropical storm warning, which is highlighted in blue, is in effect for Puerto Rico, Vieques and Culebra, the U.S. Virgin Islands, the northern coast of the Dominican Republic from Cabo Engano to the border with Haiti, the southern coast of the Dominican Republic from Cabo Engano to Punta Palenque, the northern coast of Haiti from Lemuel St. Nicholas to the border with the Dominican Republic, the southeastern Bahamas and the Turks and Caicos Island, and for our eastern Cuban provinces. So basically the eastern side of Cuba. And then next we have a tropical storm watch, which is highlighted in yellow being in effect for the central Bahamas, Andros Island, Florida Keys from Ocean Reef to Key West, and the Dry Tortugas. And we also have it being in effect for Florida Bay and basically the western Cuban provinces, guys. So we're expecting areas that are in the warning area to experience tropical storm-like conditions within about 12 to 24 hours, and for the watch area about 48 hours. And then Laura is expected to emerge into the Gulf by sometime early on Tuesday, where we could see it intensified into a hurricane, and then could hit Louisiana maybe sometime in the midweek. And for the potential intensity of Laura, here we have most of our models agreeing that it will definitely become a Category 1 hurricane, some taking this up to being a Category 2, and then we have 2 at this time expecting that Laura will become a major hurricane, which is basically Category 3 or higher on the Saffir-Simpson scale. And we have 1 saying that it will become a Category 4 hurricane, which is not impossible. We see rapid intensification a lot, but that might not be the case with Laura. And now for the key messages in Spanish. Ok, aquí es mensajes clave sobre tormenta tropical Laura. Se esperan condiciones de tormenta tropical a través de sectores de las Islas Vírgenes y Puerto Rico hasta temprano esta noche. También se esperan condiciones de tormenta tropical a lo largo de las costas del norte de República Dominicana y Haití y las Islas Turcas y Caicos y el sureste de Bahamas, el centro y este de Cuba hasta el domingo. Lluvias fuertes son probables a través de estas áreas y podrían causar deslizamientos de tierra e inundaciones repentinas y urbanos hasta el domingo, con la posibilidad de inundaciones generalizadas de ríos en Puerto Rico. Condiciones de tormenta tropical son posibles a través de sectores del centro de las Bahamas y las Islas Andros el domingo en la noche y para Florida Keys el lunes. Los detalles de los pronósticos de trayectoria e intensidad a largo plazo siguen siendo más inciertos de lo habitual, ya que se pronostica que Laura se moverá cerca o sobre sectores de las Antillas Mayores hasta el lunes. Sin embargo, se pronostica que Laura se fortalecerá sobre el Golfo de México y podría traer marejadas ciclónicas, lluvias e impactos del viento en la costa norte del Golfo de Estados Unidos a mediados de la próxima semana. Esto podría resultar en una prolongación en las condiciones del tiempo peligrosas para áreas que posiblemente serán afectadas por la tormenta tropical Marco temprano en la semana. Los interesados deben monitorear el progreso de Laura y las actualizaciones del pronóstico durante los próximos días. Okay guys, so that is really it for this update, and so if you found this video to be pretty informative, please give a thumbs up, and you can also share your thoughts in the comments or ask a question. I'll try to respond as best and as soon as I can, and just remember to always be weather-wise. Now we'll keep giving all the necessary updates on the tropics as time goes by.